Hey friends, if you wish to enable or disable Windows Defender Firewall on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So it's very simple. Search for enable firewall. Okay. You can search for disable firewall, it doesn't matter. Basically, you need this option here, Windows Defender Firewall. Click on it. There is a section on the list on the left hand side, turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. Click on it and turn off for both of these. Click on OK and it will turn off firewall. Okay. And if firewall is off, then your system is not protected, because now anyone can enter your system without your permission. The settings are not one way. So if you wish to turn on the firewall, then click on this and then select turn on Windows Defender Firewall for both public and private network, and click on OK. Now I'll tell you the difference between the public and private network. A public network is when you're working at a cyber cafe or an open Wi-Fi, where you should never ever turn on the firewall unless it is absolutely necessary. And a private network is your home network, like your own home's router. Okay. Now the thing with the private network is that anyone who has the password to your Wi-Fi will have access to your private network, so you can trust it a little more. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.